My biggest takeaway from these courses, I think, is the ability to interact with faculty, to interact with the attendees, and to exchange ideas, information, and education regarding what is the best and newest way of treating patients.
If you look at the lab, this is like a first-rate facility, and I've been to a lot of different labs. Having this many independent stations that are fully equipped, fully staffed.
We use a very interactive, case-based format for teaching. We have the ability for all attendees to interact very closely with the faculty, and we feel that the one-on-one opportunity in the lab is very unique and very different from other courses. So it's much more up close and personal.
So if this option sounds good to you, please go to aana.org/apex for more information.